Can you take your drone with you on the flight? Well, the short answer is yes, but there's something you need to worry about. First of all, just like any electronic device, you cannot put a battery in your luggage that go in the suit. You have to carry the battery with you in your carry-on. So take that battery out. The drone, you can take it with you in your carry-on, or you can put it in your luggage, that's fine. But the battery must be in the cabin, as with your carry-on. Very important. This battery can explode, it can leak, it can cause serious damage. And if it doesn't do any damage, the battery itself will be damaged. So the next time you will use it, you might have some trouble with it again. So just make sure you take the battery in your carry-on. Other things, you have remote control. The remote control, there's a battery in it, but you can't remove it. But there's a battery in it. So this need to go in your carry-on, absolutely. There's a battery inside, it goes in your carry-on. That's the only thing you have to remember. Other than that, well, depending on the country that you will visit, it's possible that drones are illegal. So if you don't want that the government take it away from you when you arrive, just make sure you can bring that kind of device in the country you're visiting. It's not a limitation about flying in a plane with a drone, it's a limitation about the country that you are going to visit. So other than that, well, that's as easy. You can bring your drone in the flight, just make sure the battery is in your carry-on. And that's it. So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in another video. See ya.